有時咧，我為大家紹介係當地嘅族群電視茉莉電視台。對客家電視台成立嘅第二年，2004年，茉莉電視台正式成立，一年嘅經費差唔多台幣13億5千萬。220個人口，當年做8點鐘嘅節目。茉莉電視中嘅語言有英語，也有茉莉語，俩70%以上嘅觀眾都唔係茉莉人。2008年，茉莉電視台還成立嘅全母語頻道 TEDrail， 希望用兩種頻道來符合各種觀眾嘅需求。
紐西蘭嘅戰舞客家非常有名，大早些年呢都曉得嘅。客家會按有名，咪係因為紐西蘭橄欖球國家隊比賽以前也會跳一段，球員跳起來韓國有效果，對手怕留客家強拍拍的嘢。因此橄欖球 rugby 係紐西蘭嘅國球，今年10月嘅世界盃，韓國會睇紐西蘭判，同時慶祝有嘅轉播電視台都係茉莉電視。茉莉電視台有英語，沒有茉莉語節目，有嘅球賽有茉莉語嘅錄像轉播。紐西蘭人440萬人口，每週日都有一般200萬3人收看茉莉電視。韓國刺激係觀眾有77%唔係茉莉人。到10月嘅世界盃，看茉莉電視嘅觀眾人數，韓國會係有史以來最多嘅。
It's a very big opportunity to promote the Māori language and culture, and also for those New Zealanders, each month about 2 million New Zealanders watch Māori television. For the other approximately 2 million, if you set aside young children and others, many of them will be watching Māori television for the first time, and we hope that the attractive thing was that because the tournament goes for 6 weeks, that they would need to watch us for a long period of time. And then hopefully will become regular viewers of Māori television. So that was a big attraction for us.
2004年成立嘅茉莉電視台，一年預算差唔多新台幣13億5千萬元，代替220個員工，製作一日8點鐘嘅節目，有新聞、綜藝搞好節目、談話性節目、紀錄片，沒有後生人中意嘅音樂同體育 talk show。當然，幾多茉莉人還係希望是得有中規國茉莉化嘅電視台。故說2008年，第二隻頻道TEDrail成立嘅，每日播出4點鐘嘅節目。
For us, the best option was to we have 2 channels. Was for our bilingual channel to draw a big audience to that channel, and then encourage those who are learning the language or fluent speakers to watch our 100% Māori language channel. So we were very fortunate that we were able to set up another channel and have that option around the languages.
這項總共2隻頻道嘅功能冇共用，對廣東人看呢茉莉電視來講，伊能嘅目標係提升語言嘅 TV， 同時結合新科技，為後生人使得感覺講茉莉化係個新鮮嘅事情。故作南北打算對傳統嘅電視台轉型做媒體公司，伊能認為將來越多觀眾茉莉語嘅 TV 都會越足夠。客家新聞馮陽山、吳義勇睇紐西蘭嘅採訪報道。